Worktable is delivered in a disassembled, shipping-optimized configuration. This allows the individual parts to be transported in a space-saving manner, and the table can be assembled quickly and easily on site. Caution: stainless steel components may have sharp edges, holes, and connection points. We recommend wearing safety gloves during assembly. They protect against cuts and make it easier to grip the components safely. Please also have a 13mm ratchet wrench with a socket ready. Alternatively, an adjustable wrench or open-end wrench can be used. Assemble the table on a clean, flat, and, if possible, soft surface, such as the packaging or cardboard, to protect the stainless steel surface. Initially tighten the screw connections only hand tight, and fully tighten them only after alignment. Please check that all parts are included before beginning assembly. The package includes 1 tabletop, 2 base frames, 1 longitudinal crossbar, 2 diagonal braces, and 14 stainless steel hex head screws. Place the tabletop face down on the assembly surface. Now align the first base frame with one end of the tabletop and carefully insert it into the designated mounting slots. Please make sure that the 2 feet of the base frame are positioned flush with the designated slots in the tabletop and that the holes are properly aligned. Important: if the holes are not exactly aligned, carefully adjust the component before tightening the screws to prevent them from getting stuck. Insert the stainless steel screws into the designated mounting points. First, tighten the screws just until they are hand tight. Once the base frame is properly positioned, tighten the screws evenly. Avoid tightening them unevenly. Now attach the second base frame on the opposite side of the tabletop. Follow the same procedure. Next, insert the crossbar between the 2 base frames. It connects both sides and serves as the mounting point for the diagonal struts. Important: the tabs on the crossbar must face downward so that the diagonal struts can be attached later. Insert the longitudinal crossbar straight into the designated connection points on both base frames. Ensure that it is positioned without any tension. Important: insert it straight. Do not tilt it. Align the longitudinal crossbar so that it sits flush in the designated mounting slots and the holes are properly aligned. Important: if the holes are not exactly aligned, carefully align the component before tightening the screws to prevent them from binding. Now insert the stainless steel screws into the designated mounting points. First, tighten the screws just until they are hand tight. Now install the first diagonal brace. It connects the longitudinal crossbar to the tabletop and provides the necessary structural rigidity. Align the holes of the diagonal brace and the connecting bracket precisely with each other. The screws should be able to be inserted without tension. Insert the screw and initially tighten the diagonal brace by hand, then connect the second mounting point as well. Important: as before, pre-assemble, then fully tighten. Mount the second diagonal brace on the opposite side of the table, mirroring the original position. Important: after this step, the base is fully assembled. Now check that all components are correctly fitted. Then tighten all screw connections completely. Carefully rotate the work table into its final position and set it up securely. We recommend that 2 people perform this step. Then, level the table precisely using the height adjustable feet. The work table is now ready for use. With pre-prepared components and the appropriate tools, assembly is usually completed in just a few minutes. Important: please observe the maximum permissible load capacity of the work table during daily use.